E are the midpoints that we may see. D and E are the midpoints of AB as well as AC respectively. Then what we have to prove? DE parallel to BC and also DE is half of BC. Then what you will write? Try to look. Let ABC be a triangle. This you will write stands in which D and E, D and E, D and E are midpoints. Listen me, please. Don't make sound. Midpoints of midpoints of sides AB and what distance AC respectively. This is given. In question it is given. Complete you have to write distance. Then you have to write here to prove. What you have to prove? What you have to prove? First number you have to prove DE parallel to BC. First number this you have to prove DE parallel to BC. And second number what it is asking? DE is half of what distance? BC. Construction is required because without construction no rule is used here. So what you will do? We need here construction. We have to draw a line through C strands parallel to BA or AB. We have to draw a line. A name you may give a name strands. What you will write there? CF parallel to construction you will write. Construction drawn. What you will draw there? Drawn CF parallel to AB or AB and produced DE which intersects at which point? F. And produced what distance? DE which intersects at point what distance? At what point? F. Very important. Based on this so many questions are given, and based on this if you can solve. Some students are not able to solve students, then try to look how you will solve. In proof, what you have to do first? First you have to prove this and this triangle as congruent. What you have to do? This both triangle as congruent. How congruent? That you may see. How congruent distance? AE equals to EC. AE equals to EC. Reason what you will write? Given. Please listen me. This angle equals to this angle vertically opposite angle, and this angle equals to this angle. Reason what you write? Alternate interior angles. So angle side angle from both triangle will congruent or not? Yes. First we have to do this triangle and this triangle as congruent. With the help of which you can prove this total as a parallelogram. With the help of that you may prove distance. So in proof, first what we have to do? Triangle AED. Please, in triangle, name what given? AED. Listen me, students. And triangle. What triangle is given? CEF. Don't talk, please. What you will write? Angle DAE equals to angle ECF. Reason what you will write here is alternate interior angles. Please, after that what we write? AE equals to AE equals to EC. Region where from students? Region what you will write? Given. This is given. This is the midpoint given. So AE equals to what? EC. And one more angle. Angle AED equals to angle FEC or CEF. FEC. Region what you will write? Vertically opposite angles. Don't talk, please. Don't talk. Then what you may write? Therefore, triangle AED, triangle AED is congruent to triangle CEF. What region you will write there, students? Region, angle, side, angle. What region from you will write? Angle, side, angle. What region you will put there? Angle, side, angle from. Angle, side, angle from both angles are congruent or not? If congruent, then what you will write, please? AD equals to what is it? AD equals to CF, and also AD equals to earlier from it is given DB. What given? DB. And what you may see, DB equals to CF as well as DB parallel to CF. That you have to write CPCTC from. Please, what you will write CPCTC from? DE equals to EF. First this you will write. DE equals to EF. Region what you will write? By CP. This will use strength. Please listen me. DE equals to EF. This also you have to write CPCTC from. And one more thing. AD equals to what you will write? AD equals to what you will write there? CF. AD equals to CF. This also by CP CT. What region you will write? CPCT C bro. AD equals to what? CF. But earlier from given AD equals to what? AD equals to what given it is? EB. But what you will write? AD equals to what it is given? AD equals to DB. Where from? AD equals to DB it was given. AD equals to DB. If you will compare the above result distance, then DB equals to what? CF. DB equals to what? CF. That you will write. Therefore, DB equals to CF. What reason you will write? From the above results. From the above results. You may see, please. DB equals to what distance? CF. And DB was parallel to CF also, earlier from. DB parallel to CF, what we write? In construction you did CF parallel to PA. So DB parallel to CF also. Hey! DB parallel to what you will write? CF. If one pair of opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, then that is a parallelogram. That is a parallelogram. So what you will write? This side written or no? This side perhaps written. Students try to look. After this last step, what we have to do? DB equals to CF. Also, please don't talk. Also, DB is parallel to what is it? CF. DB is parallel to CF. This region what you will write? Construction from. CF parallel to PA you did in construction. Where you did? In construction. You did it. Therefore, which is a parallelogram? If one pair of opposite sides are parallel as well as equal, then that is a parallelogram. So DBCF is a parallelogram. Therefore that we will write DBCF is a what is parallelogram. DBCF is a parallelogram. If DBCF is a parallelogram, therefore DF parallel to BC also or not? DF parallel to BC. If DF parallel to BC, then DE is also parallel to BC. First this you will write. DF parallel to what you will write? BC. Region what you will write there says opposite sides of a what is parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Listen me. DF is parallel to CB. DF is parallel to CB. Then what you will write? DE is also parallel to BC. Therefore, what is DE is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC, so DE is a part of DF. DE is a part of DF, so DE is also parallel to BC. That you got first part, students. First part you got. First part you got DE parallel to BC. And second part, look. For second part what it is asking? DE is half of BC. DE is half of BC. How you may prove? DF equals to what is BC region. Once again, in last, if this you will not write, then your question will incomplete, solution will incomplete. So lastly, look what you have to do. DF equals to BC. This region is what region? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. Actually, students, opposite side was parallelogram. Due to that, DE parallel to BC. Actually, you got DF parallel to BC, but DE is a part of DF, so you may write DE is also parallel to BC. This is the first part. Now you may write DF equal to BC. What you will write is opposite. Again, you will write opposite sides of a parallelogram. Opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel as well as equal also. So DF equals to BC. Here once again you will write opposite sides of a, please don't talk and try to listen me and try to look at the board, which will be benefit for you in the examination, today examination. Okay, today is your examination. वही तो वो भी पूछे बता ये तो सेम. Try to look. DF equals to BC. This is known as how it will ask. State and prove midpoint theorem. How you will state? The line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side and or as well as half to the third side. Half in length to the third side. How you will prove? DF, now you may write DE plus EF or not. From the figure, DF you may translate as DE plus EF or not. DF is the sum of, पहले देखो एक एक करके क्लियर होगा. यदि प्रॉब्लम है तो और हाँ जो जहाँ तक होगा वहाँ तक बताएंगे. That I will give you complete. Okay, but try to look one by one. DF equals to BC region. What you write? Opposite sides of a parallelogram. DE plus EF. What you will write? DE plus EF equals to what is BC. But DE was equals to EF. Earlier you had proved or not? Earlier you had proved. What it is asking? DE. DF is not asking. Then instead of EF you may put DE or not. Then what you will write? Twice of DE. What region you will write? Twice of DE. Why you will write? Twice of DE. Why you will write this? Because as proved above or already proved above. Instead of EF, what you may put? EF, instead of EF, what you may put there? DE. So instead of this, what you may put? Twice of DE equals to BC. Here region what you will write? As proved. A. As proved what you will write? As proved above. Here you proved there. What is this? DE equals to here. That you have to write or already proved above. Each and everything you have to write completely such that you will get good marks. Okay, otherwise if you will not write result, then where from it will come? Your marks will reduce there. Okay, so you have to write. So DE is half of BC or no? Final step you may write DE equals to 1 by 2 of BC. These theorems, here revise this theorem, if this is in syllabus, then it's my guarantee this theorem will come. If anyone will set the question. Okay, this first thing. एंड वो कॉपी में कुछ पूछ रहा था, पहले कॉपी वाला बताने दो। कॉपी में कुछ पूछ रहा है, ज्योमेट्री कहीं होगा ज़्यादा बेटर होगा, या किसका किसी का भी एनी क्वेश्चन। लिसन मी वन बाय वन। पहले तो बोली 9 नंबर देखो, ट्राई टू लुक हाउ मच इजी। दिस इज वेरी कॉन्सेप्चुअल क्वेश्चन, गुड क्वेश्चन। उसके बाद वो दैट क्वेश्चन आल्सो आई विल गिव। ट्राई टू लुक स्टूडेंट्स, ए वन क्वेश्चन, very good question. Try to look. Listen me. Hey, one question. Write one question. That question what given? If x equals to, write there. Write in your notebook. If x equals to 5 plus 10 number question also I had given. Who had given that I don't know, but 10th number question also I had given in the class. Right there, 9th number question. If x equals to 5 plus 2 root 6. X equals to 5 plus how much? 2 root 6. Then find root x minus, जो बात करेगा उसी को यहाँ बुलाएंगे बनाने के लिए। रूट x minus 1 by root x. Root x minus 1 by root x. Try to look root x only. That look students, how much easy? Try to look. If you will solve conceptual problem, then it will easy. Otherwise, it will wrong. Okay. And one question also I had given, one quadratic equation from I had given or not? Y square minus टाइप, उसमें भी अटक गए थे। इसमें भी थोड़ा सा concept. There is a concept. Try to look where it is the concept. Try to look students. Here it is given x equals to what it is given? 5 plus how much given students? 2 root 6. Try to look. Listen me. How you have solved that is other matter. How I am giving that look. It may be good method. It may be easy for you to solve in the examination students. If this same question will come, or otherwise other question will also come based on this, then you can solve in the examination. Then that is the good. That is a good method with the help of which you can solve in the examination. Okay. Try to look how you will solve. Try to look students. Here you may translate root 6 as root 3 into root 2 or root 3 into root 2. Then that you may translate 3 plus 2. Try to look, then I will give you other question. This you may write 3 plus 2, 5. Very good. And here students, 2 into root 3 into what you will write? Root 2. Can write or not? Then what you may write here? Root 3 plus 2, 5. Instead of 5, this you may translate. Why you will translate? Because this you may rewrite as root 3 whole square, and this is root 2 whole square. Then it will be come in the suitable identity, that is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is stands? A plus b whole square. Suitable identity you will give. Then it will easy. Try to look students. This is root 3 whole square. This is, please listen me, root 3 whole square plus root 2 whole square plus 2 into root 3 into root 2 square. So students, this you may rewrite as root 3 plus root 2 whole square x. If here is square, if square will remove, then root over you have to write or not? If square will remove, then this side what we have to write? Root. So root over x, what you will get there? Root 3 plus what you will get there? Root 3 plus root 2. Okay, root x equals to what you will get? Root 3 plus root 2. Therefore, 1 by root x is also required there. Try to look. 1 by root x is also required there. Huh? Then what you will write? 1 by root 3 plus what distance? Root 2. Then this you have to rationalize. Then you will get root 3 minus root 2. Then here what you will write? Root 3 minus root 2. And here also root 3 minus root 2. Listen me students please. What you will write? Root 3 minus root 2 and here a plus b into a minus b. Then a square minus b square. Root 3 square you will get 3 and root 2 whole square what you will get? 2. 3 minus 2 what you will get? 1. Yeah. If you want to write one time then you may write easily. 3 minus 2. So what you will get there sir? Root 3 minus root 2 by 1. So 1 by root x this you will get or not? So what it is asking, please, root over x minus 1 by root over x equals to root over x you got already root 3 plus root 2 a root 3 plus root 2 and here minus instead of 1 by root x what you got root 3 minus root 2 root 3 minus root 2 so it is root 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus root 2 minus root 3 minus plus root 3 cancel so root 2 plus root 2 what you will get there 2 root what you will get 2 root 2 what इधर लिखा उसको मर जाएंगे ए हाँ चलो यही सिक्स क्वेश्चन ए अभी रखो इसके बाद तुम्हारा ए वन मोर क्वेश्चन है कि नहीं गुड क्वेश्चन देखो इसमें इधर उधर ड्रॉप हो गया फिर बनेगा नहीं ए लिसन मिस्टर देखो कोई भी बदमाशी करता जो बदमाशी करता है वही मैथ्स बना सकता है इट्स माय गारंटी लेकिन पढ़ाई करना है ठीक है क्लास के समय में टीचर जो भी टीचर पढ़ाएंगे उसको समझना है यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड यू कैन राइट इजीली यू कैन डू बेटर वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन डू बेटर स्टडी नाउ ठीक है ये फीलिंग्स लाना है हर दिन पॉजिटिव सोच से हर समय ये नहीं कि जाएंगे क्लास में पढ़ाई करेंगे सर बाहर में कर वो नहीं ए बैठ जाइए one more question good question it may come in the examination right if लिखो ए प्लीज if लिखो ये भी नहीं बना पाई ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे लिखो जो बना पाना अपने से बनाना लिखो 1 second राइट दैट आल्सो आई विल गिव यू एक पीरियड अभी और होगा कैलकुलेटर का एग्जाम राइट देयर इफ लिखो इफ लिखो एक क्वेश्चन इफ x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by x स्क्वायर सब साइड से बताएंगे ना ज्योमेट्री भी बताएंगे फिर इसको x स्क्वायर प्लस 1 by x स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 14 then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 1 by x cube okay x cube plus 1 by x cube okay try to look what it is given x square plus 1 by x square equals to 14 then find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube take it try to look how much is this students please what it is given that look x square plus 1 by listen me please what it is given x square plus 1 by x square please x square plus 1 by x square it is given. How much it is given? 14. Try to look questions. You have to add 2 in the both sides. Same question. अरे यार यहाँ देखो ना x. ये मैं देखो फिर से बता रहा हूँ. भाई wrong हुआ. Same है ना? ये गलत किया. ए रुको बता दो. Listen me. X square plus 1 by x square is 14 given or no? 14 given no? Then what you may write there? On adding 2 in the both sides. दोनों साइड कितना ऐड कर देते हैं? 2. क्योंकि ये फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. Because on adding 2, this will come in a plus b whole square or no? अरे स्क्वायरिंग कैसे करोगे यार? If here square, if square you will do, then raised to the power 4 you will get there. Okay. Hey, देखो यार, इसमें mistake हुआ है. On adding 2 in the what is it? On adding 2 in the both sides. In the both sides. What we have to add? 2 in the both sides. What? 2 in the both sides. What we have to find? X plus either you may find. यदि 2 add नहीं भी करोगे, then there is a formula. A formula of a square plus b square is what is it? A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab. And one more formula is there. A minus b whole square plus what? 2ab. Plus what? 2ab. Out of these two, any one formula you may use. If you will not add 2 in the both sides. Okay? Or you may add 2 in the both sides. Or you may use formula also square. Suppose that if anyone will not use that adding one, then what you will write? X whole square plus 1 by x whole square equals to what? 14. Listen me. A square plus b square. ठीक? A square plus b square formula is what? Two formula is there. One is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and another one is a minus b whole square plus 2ab. Any one you may use step, either first one or second. If first you are using, then उसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है बता दे रहे हैं. X plus 1 by x whole square, x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2x into 1 by x equals to what? 14. X cancel or not? So x plus 1 by x, what you will get there? 16 whole square. Here minus and this side plus or not? तो बोलो x plus 1 by x equals to what you will get there? Plus minus 4. Plus also and minus also. Okay? Now cubing the both side. What we have to do? Cubing the both side. तो फिर वो आ जाएगा. अच्छा देखिए वो क्वेश्चन कैसे? दूसरा आंसर. That question. Root x कैसे बना दीजिए? हाँ? बन गया. 4 भी लेके चल सकते हो मैम. सीधा स्क्वायर करते हैं. क्या प्रॉब्लम? देखो दैट क्वेश्चन यदि दूसरे तरफ करते हो फिर दूसरा आंसर आएगा. देखो प्लीज वो क्वेश्चन जो बताया अभी हम उसको दूसरे तरीका से बताया है, लेकिन आंसर दूसरा, तो आप बुक वाला सर एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. समझे कि ए लिसन मी. इसमें क्यूबिंग दी बोथ साइड करके निकाल सकते हो ना. आफ्टर दिस यू मे सॉल्व बाय क्यूबिंग दी बोथ साइड. लिसन मी. ए try to look what you have to find. X is given. X what it is given? 5 plus 2 root 6. That process is also correct, but this look 5 plus 2 root 6 given. One more process. What it is given? Try to look. What is asking to find that location? Root x minus 1 by root x. What is asking to find? Root x minus 1 by root x. Whole square. This is asking to find or not? Then what you will write? A square plus b square. B square means 1 by root x whole square minus 2 root x into 1 by root x. Hey, don't talk. This type also you may solve. Root x whole square is x. Here what it is distance? 1 by x minus 2. Here x is given. What it is given? 5 plus 2 root 6. 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 1 by x. Instead of 1 by x, 1 by 5 plus 2 root 6. If you will rationalize it, then you will get or not. ऐसे ही बनाना, ठीक है. It will easy. It will easy and this type given in your book questions. Actually, whatever I had given, in that if you will take plus minus, उसमें plus minus लेंगे तो हो जाएगा. जैसे अभी लिए थे. Okay. तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं. देखो कौन क्वेश्चन ये नीट पॉइंट क्यों निकालना. लेके आओ. ए बंद. बात बराबर है. इससे क्या फायदा? हाँ टिटू नहीं निकला. टिटू थोड़ी होगी. हाँ हाँ ये भी सही है. स्क्वायर कर दिया ना. कौन दिया? सर दिए. चलो ना बता. लिसन मी. राइट वन मोर क्वेश्चन. क्वेश्चन सही है. If a plus b plus c, इसके बाद ये बता देगा. If a plus, write one question. Yes. If 5 number question. Listen me students, what it is given. Hey. A plus B plus C is given there. What it is given? 2. And after that, A. Listen me. AB plus BC plus CA. It is given 3. And ABC is given there. What distance? Minus 4. Then find question A. What you have to find? What you have to find there is A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This you have to find. Okay. Try to look how you will find. A plus B plus C is given. What it is not given? Listen me. What is not given there? A square plus B square plus C square. First we have A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C is given there. What it is given there is 2. On squaring the both sides. So what you will get there? A plus B plus C whole square equals to 2 whole square is what you will get there? 4. Squaring the both sides. So this side what you write? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 AB plus BC plus CA equals to what? 4. 8. 4. 2 times of AB plus BC plus CA is given 3 there. What it is given? 3. 2, 3 example.
और तुम लोग अपना बैग उठाओ, बैग बाहर रखोगे, अपने सीट पर चुपचाप बैठ जाओगे। 7 एग्जाम दे रहा है, अगर एक भी हल्ला हो गया तो फिर समझ लेना। अपना बैग बाहर रखोगे, अपना सीट देख लिया, सटा हुआ है, देख लो वहाँ, और चुपचाप जाकर बैठ जाओगे। 7 एग्जाम दे रहा है। जाइए।